Which is best lender when you don't have any collateral to pledge? Avance or Prodigy? On one hand, Avance offers low interest rate but requires a co-applicant, while on the other hand, Prodigy requires no co-applicant but has slightly higher interest rate. Hi, I am Aman Jain, one of the founding members at Kyan. In today's video, we are going to discuss Avance versus Prodigy. Which one is better for you? Let's get started. Alright, let's talk about something super important when you are hunting for an education loan. How much money you can borrow and the interest rate, which is also our difference number one. Starting with Avance, they can lend up to 75 lakh rupees if you are looking into STEM courses in the US. Usually they give out loans of around 40 lakhs in average. The interest rate for these loans usually falls between 12 to 13.5%. Switching over to Prodigy, they have got a different approach. They can cover the entire cost of your study, that is tuition fee plus the cost of living and any other expenses. The interest rate with Prodigy Finance are bit of a range too, sitting between 11 to 14%. But wait, there is some good news. As per Prodigy Finance Fall 24 campaign, they are providing no collateral, no cosigner solution at a special rate starting at 12% APR for selected profiles. Targeting first year students for Fall 2024, it aims to make education accessible on merit, with eligibility and reduced based on the first come, first serve basis. Let's look at the second key difference between the lenders we are discussing, the type of lending company they are. So Avance is a non-banking financial company that offers loans in Indian rupee and disburses the loan amount in your account or university depending on the case to case. On the other hand, Prodigy Finance is an international lender that offers education loan in foreign currency depending on your target country, and the approved amount is disbursed directly to the university. Moving to the third difference of the video, which is a crucial aspect when considering education loan, the role and eligibility of a financial co-applicant. This is particularly important for loans that don't require collateral. Essentially, a financial co-applicant is someone who supports your loan application and they must have a steady income to qualify. With Avance, there is a clear requirement for a co-applicant income, which should be fall between 35,000 to 50,000 rupees per month. This minimum income requirement is valid only if the co-applicant doesn't have any other financial obligation like EMIs from home loan, car loan, etc. If your financial co-applicant does have other financial commitments, then the minimum eligibility criteria income might be high. Meanwhile, Prodigy Finance offer a refreshing option by removing the need of a financial co-applicant entirely. This means you don't need to stress about finding someone who fits strict income criteria to secure your loan. When it comes to choosing between lenders for an education loan, processing fee can really make a big difference, and thus that is our difference number 4. That think of it like this: higher fees means the overall cost of your loan goes up, but if you find a lender with lower processing fee, you could end up saving more money. It's super important to consider processing fee, as in the majority of the cases you need to pay the processing fee upfront to the lender. So it's an upfront costing. Now between Avance and Prodigy, there is a lot to explain. Avance has a processing fee that's between 0.5 to 1.5% of loan amount plus GST, which you have to pay one time upfront based on your approved loan amount. Prodigy, however, takes a different approach by charging 5% of the loan amount disbursed as a processing fee, which they call as origination or administration fee, and this happens with every disbursement. So if you're taking a $30,000 loan from Prodigy and disbursing $5,000 upfront in the first semester, then 5% of $5,000 will be added to your disbursed amount. So you don't need to pay that 5% upfront, but that 5% will come in EMI in the future. On the top of that, Prodigy Finance also charge $100 separately when issuing you a sanction letter. So this $100, if you change your mind and choose a different school, you will have to pay it again if you want your loan application to be approved for the new college in Prodigy. But don't worry, they will give you back the fee you paid for the first application. Moving on to the fifth difference, repayment terms and the moratorium period. Understanding the repayment process can really help you manage your money better. The moratorium period is like a holiday period, break period that gives you time of making payments just after you finish your studies. The break allows you to get your finances in order before you need to start repaying the loan. The smooth shift into repayment is not only about reducing stress but also helps you keep your credit score healthy. With Avance, you might have to pay partial interest or full interest while you are studying, and even after you finish your study, you might still have to keep paying the interest for an extra year. On the other hand, with Prodigy Finance, things work a bit differently. If your application gets approved, you might not have to pay anything while you're studying. Plus, you could get a 6-month break from repayments after you finish your studies. But remember, this all depends on Prodigy Finance saying yes to your loan application, and the interest that you are not paying during study period will have to be paid later as part of the EMI. Lastly, as our difference number 6, when you're deciding between Avance and Prodigy for your education loan, it's crucial to check if the program you are interested in is even supported by the lender. If they don't back the course you are aiming for, moving forward with them won't be an option. Here is the main thing. Avance cover a wide range, offering loans for various programs including masters, diplomas in various countries. Whereas Prodigy, however, specializes in education loans specifically for master's program, that too in limited countries. So depending on the level and type of the program you are targeting, one lender might suit your needs better than the other. In the end, choosing right lender for your education loan comes down to your own unique needs, including the specific programs and countries you are looking at, as well as your approach to handling financial risks and long-term financial planning. In case you have a co-applicant who is eligible as per Avance criteria, need a loan in INR, you can go for Avance education loan. But in case you are not able to arrange a financial co-applicant, but your targeted university is eligible for loan with Prodigy, you do not mind getting loan in foreign currency, then Prodigy can be best suited for you. Both Avance and Prodigy can have their own advantages, as it's about matching their offering with what you need and what you are comfortable with. I hope this side-by-side look at both the options helps you make a choice that are well informed and right for you. Remember, investing in your education is an important step towards building your future. Make your decision carefully and the best wishes for your educational journey. Thanks for exploring these options with me. If you have more questions or need any additional help, don't hesitate to get in touch with us or leave a comment below. Make sure to hit the subscribe button for more useful guides like this one. Catch you in the next video.